Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing where a ball python would hide. These snakes choose warm, dark, secure cavities. First, sweep systematically. Follow baseboards, check behind refrigerators, washers, and dryers. Once done, open closet doors and look under stacked boxes. Use a bright flashlight angled low to reveal scales. Make sure to wear thick gloves and have a hook or broom to gently coax the snake into view. Move slowly and quietly. Sudden noise will cause it to retreat further into a hiding spot. Once you have potential rooms, adopt a guided search technique that channels the python. Knock lightly on walls and cabinets in a rhythmic pattern to encourage it to move away from disturbance. This works because snakes flee to calmer cavities. Then scan with a thermal or infrared camera held close to baseboards and behind appliances. You will often see a heat signature even through thin gaps. If you identify a compartment, seal nearby escape gaps with towels to funnel the snake toward the opening. To finish, approach calmly and use a towel-wrapped hook or broom to coax the python onto a flat towel, then lift gently and slide it into a ventilated transport container. You must be quick but deliberate because erratic moves spook the snake. Once secured, close the room, inspect for entry points, and seal holes with foam or weather stripping. If you lose the trail, return with the thermal camera, rescan hotspots, and double-check behind appliances. This troubleshooting step is the key to resolving a missed sighting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.